Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. So these millennial money titles are getting more and more obscure. They're starting to get weird at this point because I came across this video. It's called Living on $230,000 a Year, Selling Ice Cream with My Mom. It's oddly specific, but you know what? $230,000 a year is a decent amount. So with that said, I want to comment on this. As soon as you hit the like button and subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. It helps out the algorithm. Thank you so much. And now let's begin.
I've always been very protective of my mom. I think it comes from being an only daughter to a single mother as an immigrant family. So when she called me and said, hey, I want to do this, will you help me? It was never a question of was I going to help her or not. It was obviously a yes.
It's kind of odd. Imagine your mom calling you up and be like, hey, I came up with this idea. We're gonna sell ice cream. You win. And you're just sitting there being like, yeah, hell yeah, I'm in. Sign me up. And then all of a sudden you're making $230,000 a year selling ice cream. That's fantastic.
My name is Annie Geo Park. I am 32 years old and I make over $230,000 a year in Washington, D.C.
Oh my gosh, $1.86 million in revenue. So $230,000 a year just for her in profit. Man, she's selling so much ice cream. Where is this? You have to be in a great location, a good walkable location to sell ice cream like this. Because usually stuff like this, it's not something that you're planning out ahead of time. It's not like you're sitting at home watching a movie being like, oh, you know what, where we need to go? Ice cream. Let's go and buy that. No, you need to be walking down the street, take a look to your right, take a look to your left, be like, oh wait, there's an ice cream shop right there. I guess I feel like ice cream now. It's like the impulse purchases. It adds up.
And for you, hon? Sour gummy worms, 1 scoop of cotton candy, 2 scoops.
Oh man, just imagine franchising this. Then she could take that $230,000 a year to $1 million a year. Just franchise it, get in good locations, open up like 5 of her own, and then just have other people work the same model. It's obviously working.
I was born in Seoul, South Korea, and I moved to the States when I was 9 years old with my mom. So we came here with 2 luggage and we walked into our apartment building, which was completely empty, like not even toilet paper in there.
Oh yeah, look at it. The mom opened up her own deli in 2010. So the mom's an entrepreneur. This is not her first rodeo. She's going and open up businesses. So when she calls and wants to sell ice cream, she knows what's up. She's in the in. She knows the business model. She knows how to run something like that. She knows how to make money. And the daughter's obviously taking after that.
So music was something that I had carried on since I was in Korea. I grew up playing the piano. When I came over to the States, my mom said, you gotta pick an instrument that's cheaper because we cannot buy you a piano right now.
Oh my gosh, imagine saying that. You need to pick a cheaper instrument. Pick the violin that you could eventually charge money for. Again, I have nothing bad to say about this. It's good.
Our split is very much like you take the gas and I'll take the water. You take the electricity and I'll take the Wi-Fi. So it's more categorized than the amount itself.
Ah, okay. I feel like the Wi-Fi is a better deal than the electricity though. I don't know. Electricity costs have been going up lately in Las Vegas. What used to cost me like $250 a month is now $450 a month. Same thing. I'm not using it anymore. It's just costs are going up. Bad.
We pay $41.50 for this place right now in DC, but I think the bigger expense for me is the reinvestment into the third shop.
All right, let's take a look at this. Savings, $9,300 a month with an asterisk. Savings for a third store. That's fantastic. Housing and utilities, $21.90. Rent split with boyfriend, water and heat. Again, for her income, it's not bad at all. Discretionary, $14.95 with the barbell. Travel, entertainment, and home cleaning services, household items, not bad. Again, all of these are like really reasonable expenses. $286 for insurance, $148 transportation. There's nothing bad about this at all. It's good.
We started going to a local studio called Salsa with Sylvia, and they had an amazing $80 or $100 per month, and it's unlimited classes.
Oh man, $290,000 saved up. She's fantastic. She's gonna open up another store, no problem at all. She's gonna be rolling the money again. I just think Franchise it, sell it, keep upping the business. You can see all the people in the background just taking pictures of CNBC filming them, by the way. It's kind of funny.
To be honest, at first I was like, ice cream shop? Like, why are you going back into small business? You sold that first business because you were so tired of being a business owner all the time. And it took a while for me to get there to realize, like, I want to dive into this 100%.
Oh, that's incredible. They are smart. See, they know the resources to turn to. They know what to do. The mom has good experience in this. She's passing down all of her knowledge to the daughter. The daughter's into it too. This couldn't be a better duo.
The word of mouth in that community is amazing. All of our neighbors showed up, their friends and their family all showed up, and we saw this long line starting at 11 a.m. when we opened, and that line did not die down until we closed at 9 p.m. that day. And my mom was like, oh my gosh, now we have to make ice cream overnight because now we don't have anything for tomorrow.
Wow, it's fun though. When you're running a business like that and it's all on you and you're responsible, to seeing the progress for that and seeing all the happy customers, it can't be a better feeling than that. And the fact that they're doing it themselves and can spend time with each other and they make money doing it, it's just amazing.
Working together means you have to cooperate each other. It was not easy because I'm a morning person. She is like a night person. I just want her to come early, start doing something together, but she was like more laid back in the morning.
That's good. The mom opens, she could close. They overlap in the afternoon. I think that's fantastic.
I still call my employees like my kids as if they're my classroom students because I think I have a very mentorship-like instead of a boss relationship with them.
That's good. They'll never forget the jobs they've done in high school. Like, I think those are so impactful. Like your first job, you usually look back on it and you have fond memories of it. You learn a lot, you get some good experience, you make some money doing it, you go on to bigger and better things. You use them as a good reference. Like there's so many benefits that come with having a job throughout high school, college, in between, breaks, stuff like that. It's just fun.
I have my seniors now who are basically my managers on duty and they don't need anyone else to be there with them. I'm just extremely proud of them to see that from, I've never had a job, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do, I feel awkward greeting customers, and then you see them flourish into these shift supervisors.
See, they're obviously very good too at picking their employees, because I also guarantee you have random people do this, they're not gonna work anywhere as near as hard as these employees are. So she obviously knows how to pick the right people, motivate them, pay them a decent amount, get them to care about their job, and that benefits everybody.
I was divorced when she was 5, and I had to raise her my own. When I left Korea, there was 2 bags, 9 years old, young daughter. Ever since then, she was my companion.
Dude, the mom is cutthroat. You could tell. She is just, when it comes to business, she's motivated. She'll do anything. The fact that her mom immigrated to the US, did all of this stuff, I mean, you know, she's ruthless. She's gonna get you, but she's good at business.
Even when we had that empty apartment building, she was like, look what we can buy now, and look at your room. Like, how do you want to decorate your room? You can't control other people, but how you see your world and how you fit in, and be brave. Go out there and take those risks because no one's gonna do it for you.
Really good. I wanna see a millennial money on the mom. I wanna see the mom have her own series. I think she's got some gems that she's hiding away. We've just barely scratched the surface. I wanna see them succeed. It's too bad they don't, oh, they're in Washington, D.C. So if anyone's in Washington, D.C., go by the location, say hi. I think that'd be so cool. I would love to check them out at some point. Or if they ever come to Vegas, I'm here. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, feel free to add me on Snapchat and Instagram. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thanks.